I am day 4 from my hair restoration procedure. I have Delia with me today. We're going to kind of go over some tips and things that you can do both in home and in the office. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to be cleaning up some of the grafts through here. We're also going to be cleaning up behind in my donor area. Now, how does it look back there, Delia?
It looks very good. It's not even like a lot of scabbing. It looks really good. Is it very sensitive?
A little bit sensitive. So for patients at home, what should they be doing, Delia? What do you think is kind of what patients should be doing, what they shouldn't be doing on their own?
Well, they should be spraying the spray bottle that we gave them, and they should be able to cleanse the area, mist it with a little bit of saline, and just kind of get rid of like the old bacitracin that they have on, and then just be able to reapply it again. Because you want to be able to have it nice and moist with the bacitracin, because the more moist, the better. It's going to heal a little bit faster.
And since we went with a long hair technique, this is a little harder for me to put the Hair Grow 9X on. I've been putting it there, but I feel like maybe it's not going there. Does it look okay in there?
No, it looks good.
No major crusting?
No, hardly any. So it's a little bit difficult to see since you have a lot of hair and your hair is long, so you can't see as much, but we want to just be able to mist.
So this is almost like a female hair transplant?
Somewhat. It's just only the hair is longer, but it conceals everything, so you can hardly see. It's nice and clean. Hardly any scabbing, just a few, but mostly good coverage.